Good day, everybody. So we are now in Module 6, Data Visualization, with the first practice exercise, which is the use of trend-based conditional format. So for today, you're going to perform the following: data bars, color scales, and icon set. So let us now go to State Waste Management um, worksheet. Okay, so we will start first with the use of color scales, followed by data bars, and then the last one would be icon set. So the idea here is that we want to give emphasis, okay, on the data that we have here in our worksheet. Okay, so let us start with landfill. You have to select the cell, you go to conditional formatting, and then let us apply color scales. So as you can see, when I hover onto the first, it says it's green, yellow, red color scale. So green is the highest score, or the highest score will be highlighted with green color, and then the lowest score would be in red color. Whereas in red, yellow, green color, the highest percentage would be colored red, and the lowest percentage would have green color, and so on. So you can just select any that you want. So in this case, I'll be just selecting the first one. Okay, so as easy as that. We can now see that we have empty is the highest percentage. So meaning if we would talk about landfill, this area is producing about 85% of that. Okay, so you may also do the same with recycling and recovery. Okay, but this time let us apply it to into a range of cells. So from 2007 to 2017, let us do the same conditional formatting, but this time let's have data bars. I'll be just selecting the blue data bar, and obviously, as you can see, this is a chart, no, a bar chart, and then it is the chart is aligned to the left side of the cell, while the text is aligned at the center. But of course, we can always change that. Okay, so I just move it to the left side of the cell. You can also change, the color of the cell if you want. You can change it to um, yellow or red. Okay, so I'll just select yellow, and then you can also have that in green, in bold, and of course you can also increase the size. Okay, so it's really up to you on how you want it, on how you want to format it. Okay, so that would be the second. So that is the use of data bars. Okay, now the third is we're going to make use of icon set. Okay, so notice that you have the values in this particular example. You have the values inside the cell, as well as the trends that you want to use. Okay, so in this case, what we want is we want it on uh, another cell. Okay, so this one is just of course opposite this value. Okay, so to do that, let's just copy. I use equal symbol to copy the content of I18 to I17 to J17. Okay, because what we want to happen this time is that um, we will be using conditional formatting, and we will be removing the numeric value. So let us do that, conditional formatting, with the use of icon set. As you can see, there are several. You have directional, shapes, indicators, ratings. Okay, but what I would do would be three triangles. Okay.